For many years, scholars have asked the question, which is better off-road, Outback or Forester? One mountain will test them, one true test, to crown the king of the Subies.
Gonna go into YouTuber mode.
Look, I'm not.
Oh, sorry, I can't stop falling down the hill. Sorry, mate, go on.
Look, you're trying to fill me with confidence. I appreciate that. I'm still not 100% confident.
Make a goal to get halfway to that clearing halfway. What do you reckon? And then make an assessment from there.
It's going to be sketchy trying to get reverse down it.
Yeah, make it or
break it, eh?
Make it or break it.
Might have to sacrifice the horsepower and put the aircon on.
Theirs is a better spotter than me.
You keep saying that. One day someone will roll and it'll be me on the radio.
You spotted them into a roll. What's your beverage there, mate?
Just a bit of sparkling water with a hint of tropical passion fruit, mate.
Oh, mate, guys, if you're not familiar, Troy's Outback is the six-cylinder model, 3-litre 6-cylinder. It's got an automatic gearbox. Set up nicely, set up for touring. It doesn't slide in that huge rut. Good boy. He's owning it. This is where it's going to get very interesting.
You got clearance here.
How your engine temps, mate?
96 degrees, mate.
Oh, perfect. Man, if I was on that angle in the disco, I would be freaking out. That's the benefit of having a lower car, isn't it? A lower, smaller car. But the angles that you feel when you're in the driver's seat in your center of gravity, it's just so much lower. That's why these Subarus are just awesome. How good is his spare wheel carrier? It looks sick.
With that rut directly underneath you for this section.
Jesus.
Bring it back.
How about that for an angle, guys? And the worst is yet to come. I don't think your car's loud enough, Troy.
Yeah, max track under. Go for it. Alright. Should be able to start creeping that. Max track locked under here.
Bend on that max track. How good was the bend on the max?
Only that much.
Yeah.
That's it, that's good. Now turn in to your left. Yep, that's enough. Now keep following that.
Nice. Here we go. Oh, don't go with that log. Nice. Oh, the angle. God, the camera does not do that justice. The angle is unbelievable.
How you going, babe?
How are you going? More like it.
I'm actually feeling alright.
Oh yeah.
I completely trust the desert at the moment.
Yeah, it's like we're just a passenger. And
I don't mean to be bossy.
No, it's needed. It's good, mate.
That's alright. That log's helped him a bit.
Yeah, it is. He's kind of got grip on the log. It's like on the side of your wheel. How's this for a problem? I can't get the max tracks. I might be able to get one out.
I've got some logs here I can...
If Troy moves off the log, I'll be able to get him. That's reverse. Hang on. There we go, there's one.
Hold there.
Hold there, I'll grab the tracks again.
Yep.
We're making progress. Here he comes, kids. Here he comes.
A bit of right hand down. And hold there. Alright.
Oh, how are you going to do this bloody massive rut here though? Because he's going to bottom out, isn't he?
What? Nah. I'm going to bridge him.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh, here we go. You can have that again.
Reggie.
Gosh, it's like hot potato with bloody cameras.
That's the price of YouTube fame. Oh wow, you're bringing him up here. Okay, cool.
Well, I don't know if this is going to work, but it'll be sick if it does.
yes, yes, yes. I'll get the tracks again, mate.
Yeah.
I was about to just jump down into that. It's like a metre and a half drop.
Before, it's like a dust bar.
Guess who's going to make it? Possibly you.
If we didn't have any type of max track, I'd say no chance.
We've got another 2 up there as well.
I've got 3 on my car and I've got the rubber ones.
You're building a road.
I think we can climb the whole track with it.
Just like $30,000 worth of max tracks just like on this hill.
We conquered the max track.
Sorry audio. This is like screaming, laughing into it.
I want you to get your right wheel up here, but don't go any further. I want a good purchase there because we're going to have to put tracks for your rear wheel as well.
What's dragging, man? Is that your exhaust?
That's just this exhaust, isn't it?
It sounds exhausty.
Is your traction control on or off?
I don't have traction control.
As you roll back, I want you to go left hand down. I don't want you to slide in this hole.
Go like that.
Hold there.
Woo, this is exciting. I'm going to make the executive decision for Troy's sanity to get the Discovery into place with a winch. I just really worried he's going to blow his transmission or his CV or something in this last bit.
That's it, that's good. Keep coming, keep coming. Whoop. Right, get your left wheel up on this. You'll be able to do it. Bit of momentum.
I think you've done it, mate.
I reckon I'll just send it up the rest
Give it
of
a
the
big
way,
poke, give it a poke, mate. There she goes.
Yeah, we got it all.
Well done, Des. Great spotting as always. How do you feel?
Stress. Times you fucked us up with sliding and no one can control that. Well done, man.
Oh my god. Oh, the angle. Oh my god, the angle. Your seatbelt's going to be locked as well. This is interesting. You're sort of like nursing it up there. Very cool. Watch it, Troy, watch it.
Sorry.
Awesome, awesome, Des. How's that feel, mate?
Sweaty.
Yeah.
Just focused.
You're doing very well. Oh, okay, I won't disturb you, mate. Go for it. There it goes, just like that. Just like that. Whoop. Yeah, and just like that again. Where's he going? You want a max track under there? Look at that extreme turn. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I might go right side.
I can go sideways, how about that? Nice, nice, nice. Keep going, keep going. Momentum, momentum, momentum. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh.
Well, the Desmond.
Well done, Des. Des, this is your GoPro. Well done, mate.
That was a fucking good effort.
We were timing that. We probably both took about 45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah.
I think Des has taken
8 minutes, maybe?
8, yeah. Let's call it 10. Woo! You're going to love it watching that back. Tell the nice people how you feel.
Hot, sweaty, relieved. That right side, I just went up and then boom. I didn't realise I was going to fall that far.
So guys, that's a bucket list item. Submarine disco. It's been done. It's been done by a legend in a Forester, Des from Destinations. We got Troy in the trusty Outback from All-Wheel Drive Adventures. And you got us here at Australian Rural Adventures. Guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. I've had a nervous submarine disco ball. I love yous. I'll see you next week. Dougie out.